Welcome back to Silence Screams Loud Strength. I am your host, Samantha, and today's episode is about being fully seen, fully known, and still fully loved. We dive into one of the most intimate and healing passages of the Bible, which is Psalm 139. This psalm has become my personal anchor in recent years as I have walked through the court orders and felt unjust, betrayed and tried to be silenced. They tried really hard to silence me. And homelessness that threatened to erase everything I built. And yet Psalm 139 spoke directly to my soul. Our Lord, you have searched me and known me. Oh Lord, you have searched me and known me. Not just by name, not just by my smile, but by my entire story, the pain, the survival, the strength. Psalm 139 reminded me that I wasn't invincible, that even when the system didn't see me, God never looked away. Even the darkness will not be dark to you. The night will shine like a day, because God can do that. It's that breathtaking, it's that breakthrough that comes, that even in our darkest moments, the abuse, the fear, the loneliness, we are still held in light. And perhaps the most powerful verse of all, I praise you, for I am fearful and wonderfully made. When trauma tries to redefine you, or redefine us rather, Psalms 139 takes our hand and whispers, "No, daughter, you were made with intention, with care, with love. You're worthy, and your worth didn't disappear when someone hurt you. Your purpose didn't vanish when you were pushed out of your home. You are still who God designed, and He is not done with your story." If you take anything from today, let it be this. God doesn't just know your name, He knows your soul. He knows what you have overcome, and He is leading you into restoration, not just survival. So, today, when you journal tonight, write down this affirmation: I am fully known, deeply loved, and fearfully made. Let that become your soundtrack for healing. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for letting me speak about Psalm 139. You are where you are today, and remember, you are not invisible. You are becoming. With all my love, peace to you, Samantha.